Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Binance US on desktop, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Binance US website URL. Press the enter key to load the page. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type your password in the next field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, open your authentication app. Retrieve the verification code from your app. Enter the code in the provided field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to proceed. You should now be logged into your Binance US account. Explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. If you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, you can start trading or managing your account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.